Welcome to Kent State University, home of the Golden Flashes, and coming soon, you.
We're so excited to welcome you for move-in. But before you arrive, there are some important things to know.
Remember, move-in spans multiple days. To find out when your assigned date and time is, check our website. These time blocks help our campus run smoothly and avoid traffic jams at check-in and with the elevators.
Before you arrive on campus, it will be helpful to look at a map. Campus can feel very large. On our website, you can find a map of campus including what parking lots and 30-minute unloading zones are closest to your hall. No need to memorize. When you arrive on campus, there's plenty of signage to help guide you to where you need to go.
In order to help keep traffic down and get students into their rooms faster, please utilize long-term parking. Once finished unloading your car, University Housing will have golf cart shuttles running from the parking lots to the residence halls for your convenience.
To get into your room, you'll need to have your flash card. Be sure to have that handy when you arrive. But if you did not pick one up at DKS or need a replacement, your first stop should be the flashcard office in the lower level of the Student Center. Before you unload your belongings, head to your building where you'll meet building staff at the check-in tables. There, you'll activate your flashcard to your room. They will also ask if you need any help moving your stuff.
Our team of movers and groovers are here to help your move-in day go by a little bit smoother. They are volunteers of students, staff, and faculty here to welcome you and help you get things into your room.
With or without movers and groovers, blue carts will be available to check out to help move your things from your vehicle to your room. At Kent, we have a saying, flashes take care of flashes. So do your part, help another flash, and return the cart when not in use.
Double rooms will come with the beds arranged as bunk beds. To change the configuration depends on your hall. Head to this webpage or look for flyers around your hall with a QR code that will take you to video tutorials specific to your hall.
Trash and recycling are part of the move-in process. Help us keep our campus clean by placing your trash either in the trash rooms on your floor or directly into the dumpsters outside your hall. Outside, you'll also find our designated recycling areas. Look for green flags that mark where the recycling should be placed. But please, break down all boxes before leaving them to be recycled.
Move-in can be a stressful time for your body and your mind. Don't forget to stay hydrated and keep your body fueled. Your meal plan is always active, so feel free to head to one of our all-you-care-to-eat facilities, Eastway or DI, and treat the move-in crew you brought with you to a meal by using a guest wipe so they can join you. Other eateries, including Fork in the Road, our campus food truck will be open move-in week, so check out the hours of operations page for full details. The hub in the Student Center will also be open and ready to serve you. No matter what you're craving, campus has you covered.
Don't be afraid to take a break during your move-in process and explore your new home. There's so many things to see and so many people excited to meet you.
Got a question or need help day of? Look for housing staff who will be wearing this shirt who are ready to help you acclimate to campus and can point you in the right direction for whatever you need.
The move-in website has all this information and more, accessible 24/7. If you have a question ahead of arrival, get in touch with Housing via social media, email, or phone.
The countdown is on, and your new chapter is just around the corner. We can't wait to welcome you to campus and into the heart of the Golden Flash family. This is where it begins. Welcome home, Flashes!